Welcome to Wander Hudson Valley, located in the scenic Catskill Mountains, a short drive from New York City. My name is Sarah and I'm going to give you a tour of this stunning property. You may be considering booking it for your next workcation or vacation, or perhaps you just want to get a lay of the land before you check in. Wander Hudson Valley is a modern smart home that is perched on top of a beautiful hilltop overlooking the Catskill Mountains and the Esopus Creek. The 2,570 square foot home is a 3-bedroom plus a pull-out couch, a 3.5 bath, and can comfortably sleep 8. There's a lot to do in this area year-round, from hiking to skiing to charming restaurants and shops, and we have a travel guide on that, so check it out if you're looking for some fun. From the moment you step on the property, you'll notice everything is controlled easily from your Wander app. Even the front door lock, lights for the entire home, shades, and individual room temperatures. You'll also be greeted with your very own Tesla Model Y long range to use during your stay. How cool is that? But until then, let's take a look inside this incredible Wander. From the moment you walk inside the home, you're greeted with views of the mountains and the Esopus Creek thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows in nearly every room. This house has a rustic yet modern design that is accentuated with woodsy touches in the furniture, the decor, and the art. For example, this is an old map of the Catskill Mountains, and one of the things I love about all Wander properties is the art is designed for its unique location. So depending on where you're staying, you're going to have a completely different theme. The main dining area comfortably seats 10 and is great for dinner with friends or family. Take a look at this LED light. Let me just turn it on for you with the app. Wow! This is one of the things I love about Wander properties, the luxurious thought that goes into all the detail for the interior design. And because Wander owns all of their properties, you never have to worry about the property not living up to the standards you see in photos. In fact, I don't think the photos do it justice. It is stunning. The dining area is right next to the open concept kitchen, which has the latest appliances, a fully stocked fridge, and a snack kit and a mini bar. What stands out to me is the quality of the kitchen supplies. There is high quality dishware and cookware, a varied spice drawer, an espresso machine, a kitchen with cooking essentials, soft drinks, and a snack kit. Plus, there's even a washer and dryer. From the kitchen, you'll notice one of my favorite things about this property. It is a private, heated pool overlooking the scenic mountains. This pool is absolutely luxurious. We have this lush white couch that can comfortably sit about 6-7 people. And then over here, we can sit 8. You even have little umbrellas to shade you from the sun on a nice sunny day like today. So on the other side of the pool, we have the ultimate party hangout area. We have a table that comfortably sits 8 people next to a charbroil grill for all your grilling needs. Guess what else we have for you? A 4-person hot tub. On this side of the deck, you have seating for 8 people, and all of this overlooks the beautiful Catskill Mountains and the creek. It is absolutely stunning, and just think about it. This is the perfect place for hosting people. I mean, having your birthday, your bachelor party, your bachelorette, or another celebration. This is the spot for fun. Now let's go inside and check out the rest of the house. My favorite part about the living room is this contemporary wood-burning fireplace right here that always has wood stocked from the region so you can use it during your stay. They also have this massive navy L-shaped sofa that's super comfy, a huge Samsung TV, and surround sound Sonos speakers, which means that you can sync your music throughout the entire property during your stay. To the right of the living room, there's also a private bathroom with a unique screen door design, wooden counter, and rectangular vessel bathroom sink. The master bedroom has a rustic yet contemporary design with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the mountains and your own private terrace with seating for 2. The king-size bed has a Nectar Copper premium mattress that uses heat-conductive copper fibers and the latest in sleep fabric technology to make sure you sleep cozy yet cool as a cucumber. There is also Zoe sleep pillows in the bedroom, which is ideal for neck alignment. And if you have a baby, like me, they also have a high-end baby crib and car seat for the Tesla included at each property. Simply ask for it and they will set it up for you prior to your arrival. On each side of the bed are wireless smartphone chargers, and in front of the bed is the ultimate remote working space. The workspaces at Wander properties are what makes them the ultimate digital nomad or hybrid worker retreat. And here at Wander Hudson Valley, we have 4 workspaces. Every Wander home has super fast, high-speed internet, a ubiquity hardware across the entire property, and at Hudson Valley, that means that you can work anywhere inside or outside the property with ease, including from the pool. Each of the 4 workstations has an Erman Miller Arion chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, an uplift desk with a rustic design. We have a balloon mic, which is so high quality that it is used for broadcasting by major recording artists, and there is also an external camera so that you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual backdrop. Each desk also has a 38-inch extra wide LG curve monitor with 4K resolution and high-end speakers. And what I love most is when I arrived, all I had to do is plug in one wire and everything is connected. It is that easy. The bathroom of the master bedroom is striking. Come through your own walk-through closet and you'll encounter one of the best bathrooms you've ever seen. We have it all here. We have dual shower heads, emerald green glaze, ceramic subway tiling, shower sprayers, dual sinks over here. We also have luxury bath products from 5 Wits. Every Wander bathroom comes with a Dyson hairdryer, and don't forget their lush towels and robes. I mean, those Wander robes, they're the most comfortable things that you'll ever get your hands on. You'll also notice that there are motion sensors in every bathroom connected to underglow lights that turn on automatically when you walk in, as well as heated floors, which are lovely. Right near the master bedroom, we have a home office with another fabulous workstation. Let's head downstairs where we will find 2 additional bedrooms with workstations and bathrooms, a fitness center, an entertainment room, and another deck. The entertainment room has a huge Samsung TV with surround sound, a custom cloud couch that pulls into a queen bed, and I just love how they incorporated evergreen wood behind the TV that replicates the forest trees and a table that is reminiscent of a tree stump. And on the deck, there's an outdoor table for 8 that overlooks the beautiful mountains and creek. This is bedroom number 1. This one has all the features the master bedroom has, a workstation, and access to the deck. Plus, it has this cool bathroom with leaf-inspired tiling and a deep tub, perfect for relaxation. And this is the second bedroom. We have all the features the master bedroom has as well, access to the deck, and a really beautiful bathroom. If you pass this workstation, you can come right into this bathroom, and I am obsessed with it. Look at the stone tiling, but my favorite part is that window that overlooks the creek and the mountains. You think that's all? Think again. Come over here. We have a fitness center. Yeah, your very own fitness center. Pretty cool, right? We got a Peloton, an ergotta rower, a treadmill, a freaking sauna. Look at this, a sauna, a weight rack, yoga mats. The gym also has automated lights, these LEDs here that turn on when you walk inside. How convenient. With that, let's get in our Tesla and explore the surrounding area. There are so many things to do here, so check out our travel guide next. Book now on the Wander app or website. Our Wander Concierge is also available 24/7 at 707-896-1524 to answer any questions or to assist you with your travel plans. We hope to see you soon. Bye.